Face down. Take face down right there. Turn your head left, right, middle. Nick, give me a minute. Tender here,
No.
tender here,
Yes.
on your back. Lay down. Scoot down. Bend this knee. Bend this. Face down. Turn your left, right, middle. Turn your left, right, center. Turn to me here. Just relax. Face down. Sit at the end. And just breathe. Look up. Drop it in. Now sit at the end like that. And give me a second. Lay straight back. Just, yep, and don't scoot up, just like sit at the end. Pick it up. Drop it down. If anything hurts, let me know. Stay right there. You ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, appreciate it.
You're welcome.